Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making some quick cards. I'm making 5 cards with one kit. So today I'm using the Lawn Fawn Simple Stripes landscape die. I thought this die would make it easy for me to cut out all these strips of paper. So since the die has 5 strips, I ran it through my Big Shot 5 times with 5 different patterns. This will create 5 cards. I'm using liquid adhesive to adhere all these strips down. I think that will be the best way to do this. That way I have a little wiggle room if I don't get it lined up properly. So I'm just using my MISTI for a little guide here, just so I have my strips on straight starting off. The beautiful papers are from our Spring Things box. It's the bunny ears paper pad, and I just love the prints. They are so beautiful. I do have a couple left to be sold individually. Those will be in the shop under the Not Too Shabby section. I do have a few items left over from the box. You can check out what's left over in that section. I also have a few boxes left, so once these are sold out, they will be gone for good. You can sign up for our monthly boxes by choosing monthly for your frequency at checkout. You'll see a little drop down menu and you can choose monthly. You'll also get a 5% discount when you sign up. So I'm going to finish up putting all my strips together, and then we're going to put some ephemera and sentiments to finish up the cards. So I've got 5 cards ready to go. I really like how these turned out, and I have a blank slate to do whatever I want. So the ephemera makes it really easy to put cards together. You don't have to do any coloring. You just choose the images that you want. Maybe choose a circle or an oval, or in this case, I chose a banner. That will ground my images, and then you can put the image right on top. So I think that's like an easy way to put a card together. So I decided to put 2 different banners. I used a stackable banner die, so I have 2 different sizes. So instead of putting both banners straight, I decided to put the second banner on a little angle, so it's a little wonky looking. I thought that gave it some interest. For some of these cards, I'm going to use a twine bow, and I thought that was a really cute touch. So some of the ephemera pieces have sentiments on them, so I thought that was perfect. I love this hop hop hooray little sentiment with the coffee mug. So I'm going to pair that up with a cute little Easter egg from the collection. And I put little bunny ears on the egg. So there are some ephemera pieces in there with just the little ears that you can add to images. So this card is super cute. So in this month's kit, the kit does come with a pack of Cat Scrappiness sequins. It's their Tinkerbell blend. And it also comes with their embellishment tray. It's a nice little triangle tray that you can pour your sequins in, and when you pour it back into the bag, it makes it really easy because it has those points. So I'm going to just sprinkle these around the card. The colors are perfect for Easter, and it gives the card a little bit of shine. So this completes card 1. I'm going to play some music for the rest of the cards since they're very similar. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video.